So let's just talk about events module in Node.js. So this events module is a built-in module and it provides a way to work with the events. So here we can just create and manage different events for the event-driven architecture. So first of all, we have to import the module. So require events. Now this will return this EventEmitter class. So const EventEmitter. Now we have to create one instance of this class, and with that instance we can access all of these different methods and properties. Like we have this emit method, so this is the important one, and also we have this on method and also this remove listener. So all of these we can use with the instance of this EventEmitter class. So let's just create one instance. So const emitter equal new EventEmitter. So first of all, let's just emit one event. So for this we're gonna use this instance. So emitter dot emit. So emit is the method. This is used to emit one event. So suppose the event name is greet. So here we're just emitting one event. Now we have to register this event. Emitter dot on method. So the first parameter is the event. So here the event is greet. So whenever this greet event occurs, then we're gonna run this callback method and we're gonna simply console log welcome to node. So here we're just emitting one event and here we're just registering this event with this function. So whenever this greet event occurs, then we're simply gonna run this function and we're gonna log this on the console. So let's just run this now. So node main. So you can see here we have the output, and here we have so many other methods that we can use. We have this remove listener method to remove one listener. So this is the way we can use the events module, and this is very powerful tool for building event driven application. Here we can emit one event and then we can listen to various events. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.